Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll look at the key features of the Hikvision Full HD CCTV and DVR kit. The Hikvision security camera and DVR set comes with 4 security cameras, a DVR, and all the accessories needed to set up the system. The DVR can be connected to a monitor via HDMI or VGA. The 2 bullet and dome cameras feature infrared lights that enable night vision. The camera can shoot at a maximum resolution of 1080p. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.